Since 1992, Nature's Choice has been the industry leader, always looking to the future by creating solutions for municipalities and contractors to dispose of green recyclable materials. Nature's Choice continues to divert thousands of tons per year of recyclables from landfills. This saves landfill space, reduces powerful greenhouse gas emissions, assists with erosion control, and helps conserve water. After processing the green waste, Nature's Choice creates products such as dyed and natural hardwood mulches, compost, topsoil, and engineered growing media. Topsoil throughout the country has been depleted of nutrients through industrial farming and other development. We are determined to improve the quality of soil in the tri-state area using organic and natural processes to bring back the fertility to the ecosystem, building a sustainable future. Nature's Choice assists many public and private entities to design green recycling programs that are efficient and cost-effective. We maintain and operate many public-private partnerships with municipalities in New York and New Jersey. These partnerships have recycled millions of tons of green waste over the past 25 years. As the leader in the industry, we continue to invest in the best technology and equipment available. Recently, Nature's Choice established a state-of-the-art bagging facility for mulch, topsoil, compost, and other products, representing major corporations that distribute these bags to large volume chain stores. All products that are bagged are produced from Nature's Choice recycling facilities for commercial and residential use. Our goal is to improve the landscape and farming environment, working with nature, not against it.